Hey Badger nurses, alumni, partners, friends. My name is Tad Worku, and I'll be on campus on October 6th as this year's Littlefield Leadership Lecture keynote speaker. I'm excited to unpack the topic, Imagining the Future with Hope. A bit of my background is in 2011, I was funded for international tour as a pop soul artist. I didn't have peace with the direction I was going, so instead of touring, I stepped away from music to go back in search of deeper meaning and purpose. That search led me to nursing school, 7 years in emergency trauma, 2 years in education, family nurse practitioner school, and executive coaching to support others in finding deeper meaning and purpose across Southern California. I'm passionate about these topics, and I look forward to unpacking them with you live at 5 p.m. in Cooper Hall on October 6th.